It's terrible when you get locked out of your own home.
Looks like maybe some of the keys or something inside of the door are broken.
To fix this, we're going to use the quick set entry door latch as well as a butter knife and a screwdriver. It's going to be pretty simple. You should have these tools at home, or if you need the tools, check the links below. So we'll be doing 3 steps: the knob handle, the latch, and the reset. And basically, we can call this very simply the pyramid method of accomplishing this task.
First off, from the inside of the door, these bolts, they actually have to come out here. You just use a screwdriver to take those off. And that's a pretty simple task to do.
So once the handle is actually taken off, this is what it's going to look like. So now for the latch.
So if your door handle gets jammed, ours, as you can see, you try to push it in and it's not able to actually open the door. What we had to do is use a butter knife. You could use as well anything that is similar to this, such as a screwdriver. Push this back. Usually this device, this piece here pushes this piece back here. This is the new one and it goes right in. This one here, it doesn't push in. So from there, you're going to have to unscrew these 2 pieces here. Now, this piece will come out. The whole piece comes out. As you notice, this is the older piece here. The older lock doesn't go in. So now this small little joint here is very important because you want to make sure that this faces the inside of the door. So when you put in your new one, this is going to be pretty much the same. We noticed too they had a washer here, so we may use that because it comes with the kit, this washer here. So let's set it up the exact same way that we actually had it set up before, so that it fits flush. So we've inserted the desired latch plate and we've snapped it into place. So we see the face plate is what we have desired. Then we're going to place this right here. We have the 2 bolts that we're going to use.
And now to step 3, we call it the reset because we're going to be resetting both sides of the lock. You do not need to reset the key for this setup.
Now this side will go in flush with your new setup here. See how it fits in. Next up, these, set them in with a screwdriver. Now I'm just tightening these guys up. This bolt as well as this bolt have been set in. The lock is tight, and let's see if the door works. Works pretty fine. We're set. Now you're ready to use your door. And the actual key is the same because these were never changed out. We hope you have some success with your door as well. And thank you for watching. This is Watts Lock and Key.